Alright, hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is going to be a much shorter vlog. We are going to the Burj Khalifa. We're about to go do that right now, and then after we're going to go to Play DXB for the roller coaster. I don't know exactly what it's called. I think it's called Dubai Drone. But we're going to go ride that shortly after. So we're going to about to show the Burj Khalifa right now, which is the world's tallest building. We're going to go to the very top, or as high as we can go, and then we're going to head to the roller coaster. It's not working.
Don't break the glass, buddy.
It's not working. Oh, it worked. Oh my gosh. This is not very scary. I thought it was like real. There's gonna be a camera. Alright, Burj Khalifa was really, really cool. I don't really have much time to talk because I'm on an escalator right now, but we're going to Dubai Drone roller coaster. This is right in the Dubai Mall, only a few minutes away from the Burj Khalifa in the same mall. So we're going to go ride that right now. Alright, never mind. I need to get tickets downstairs. I thought you could buy it at the ride. I don't know how much it is. I'll let you guys know in a minute. But yeah, let me go get tickets. Alright, so it's about $12 to ride the coaster, and is a little bit left over, so I think I'll be able to do like another smaller ride after, but I'm really here for the coaster, so we're going to head on Dubai Drone, which is a Gerstlauer spinning coaster. I have no idea what to expect, and I'm actually really excited. This place is super, super cool. So yeah, let's go. Alright, the guy just warned me. He's like, very, very spinny coaster, and I'm like, alright. So I am going, and I don't know anything about this ride besides that it's a spinning coaster. I don't know what it does, but it looks really cool. A bunch of dates up there, I think. I don't know. Yeah, let's ride it. It looks really cool. All right, we are on the Dubai Drone roller coaster. I'm going up the lift right now. I can't record, obviously, with a video, so I'm doing an audio right now. Hopefully this comes out good. We're pressing the lift right now. I don't know what to expect. I have spoiler free on this ride. Oh, we're going outside? Oh, we're going at a drop. Okay. Whoa. Oh, that's fun. I'm only one person on this ride. Oh, we're spinning a lot. Okay. Woo. Okay, we're outside. Well, technically inside, but we're outside the showroom. Wow, we're going really fast. Okay. No brakes. Okay. Whoa. Oh, wow, this is really fast. All right, down a spiral. Whoa. Oh my gosh, this is really intense. Another lift? Whoa. Okay. We have another lift. There's no sound in here, so it's kind of very quiet. Okay, whoa, we're spinning fast. Whoa. Oh my god. my gosh, that was really good. That was really fun. That spun really, really fast. Oh, that was aggressive. Okay. Wow. I just rode the Dubai drone roller coaster. Okay. I thought that had virtual reality. I guess it doesn't. And I think there's supposed to be music inside, but I don't know. Again, I don't know much about this ride. But that was very fun. The first half was a little slow. Because we were kind of going outside and it's like to show the ride for everyone. But then on the inside, it was spinning really fast. I was the only person on it, and yeah, it was spinning really good. That was really, really fun. Definitely a family coaster, but still a really, really good ride. So yeah, that was Dubai drone roller coaster. So from the looks of it, most of the rides are downstairs. They have a lot of VR rides. I think that's the whole kind of theme here. But yeah, the coaster's up there, and it's mostly arcade games. There's a weird thing called the Time Machine over there. But yeah, there's the bouncy house thing down here, trampoline park, and then some small little rides. I'm gonna see what else I can do. Maybe this drop tower. I don't know what's left on my ticket. I bought the minimum amount. So yeah, let's just walk around it a little bit. All right, I'm trying hard not to video people because it's a big thing out here. You cannot video other people. But yeah, it looks like it's just a bunch of smaller rides over here. Mostly arcade games. Yeah, pretty cool park. It's very small, but it's something you can stop in and do quickly. They make it pretty easy to buy tickets, so yeah. All right, so we just finished up with Play DXB. That was really, really fun. The spinning coaster was great. I didn't have enough credits for anything else. I had like 15 left over, which is not that much. Most of the things are like 20, 25. So yeah, great time. Overall, really fun. We're gonna go to the storm coaster now, which will be a separate vlog, so I'll see you all next time.